Good morning, children. Hope you all are happy, safe, and healthy at your place. Students, today we are going to study Class 8, Chapter 10 Civics, Law and Social Justice. How laws are very important for individual and society. Firstly, understand about what is social justice. It refers to an ideal of society where justice refers to economic status rather than to the administration of laws. It is based on the idea of a society which gives individual and group fair treatment and a just share of the benefits of society. Let us take some example from the society where the laws are very important. Workers are paid low wages or sometimes no wages. Why? Children are employed in dangerous work like ammunition factories, match factories, brick industries, etc. Safety measures, sanitation facilities are not taken care in industries. Beauty of Taj is going away. Why? Concern for national heritage. Girls are not allowed to attend the school in some parts of our country till today. Now think who will help and take care in the above situations? An individual, a community, a society, a foreign company, or a government. What is government? A government is a group of people that have the power to rule in a territory, country, or a state according to the administrative law. Let's understand about how a government can help. To protect people from exploitation, the government makes certain laws. These laws try to ensure that the unfair practices are kept at a minimum in the markets. To ensure that workers are not underpaid but are paid fairly, minimum wages has been set by governments. Fundamental rights granted by the Indian Constitution, like right against exploitation, say that no one can be forced to work for low wages or under bondage. The Constitution provides fundamental rights to the citizens for their social, economic, and political welfare. The Constitution lays down no child below the age of 14 years shall be employed to work in any factory or mines or engaged in any other hazardous employment. By making constitutional rights, government always try to ensure social justice to every section of society. A major role of government is to control the activities of private companies, society, communities by making, enforcing and upholding laws. A government is maker and executor of laws. All the laws made by the government and implemented by the government in the society. Let's understand about Bhopal gas tragedy. The world's worst industrial tragedy took place in Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh 24 years ago. Union Carbide, an American company, had a factory in the city in which it produced pesticides. MIC, methyl isocyanide, a highly poisonous gas, started leaking on 2nd December 1984 at midnight from the factory. Within 3 days, more than 8,000 people were dead. Hundreds of thousands were maimed. 24 years later, people are still fighting for justice, for safe drinking water, for healthcare facilities, and job for the people poisoned by Union Carbide. To stop any such sort of incidents in future, the developers and business class should make liable by making strict laws so that such incident could not take place in future. Death tolls in Bhopal gas tragedy. More than 8,000 people died and many more suffered with various diseases. People are still suffering from its effects, and even today, close to 50,000 are too sick to work. People are still fighting, but no adequate compensation get by the people. People are leaving their homes during the time of Bhopal gas tragedy. People started campaign rally etc. against Bhopal gas tragedy because they wanted justice. At last, a huge compensation was given by company to bring the life back on track.